Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you didn't know, there's a big Kellofaplan planner release on Friday. These are 2024 planners. There's stickers, there's note paper, all sorts of stuff in this release. If you didn't see, I have another video for the Neutral Florals dashboard planner and sticker book and note paper, but I thought I'd separate the videos out, and in this video I'm going to show you the Watercolor Florals collection. And I don't have the seasonal planner, but I do have the seasonal sticker book, so I thought I would go through that with you as well. As always, if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link when you shop on Friday, I'd really appreciate it. Everything launches at 10 a.m. Central Time on the 15th. So let's get started. I think I'll show you this sticker book first, and then we'll go over this collection. Excuse my fingernail, you know, real life. I need to redo my nails. But I wanted to get this info out to you because this is such a good release. So this is a seasonal sticker book, and there's also a seasonal planner, and I believe there's seasonal filler paper as well. But like I said, I just have the sticker book. So let's take a look. Already I love it because New Year's Eve stickers, right? So cute. Look at the champagne, the dress. I, for some reason, always think of pink and black and gold for New Year's Eve spreads, and so does Heather, I guess, because that's what we have here. Look at these, so cute. There's a champagne bottle, balloons, little banners and confetti and stuff like that. And then here we are in Valentine's Day. I love a good seasonal sticker book, and this one's awesome already because you're going to be able to just grab the sticker book and use it for all of your spreads for whatever season you're in, and I think that's awesome, all the holidays and stuff. So here we have Valentine's stickers, gifts, roses, little hearts, envelopes, champagne, or wine, I guess, whatever. And then we are into St. Patrick's Day. I never have enough St. Patrick's Day stickers, so this is perfect. These are the monthly boxes. So this is sort of like a color story sticker book. You're going to get one page of boxes and then like bullet points and stuff, and then you're going to get a second one with monthly boxes. So they're all sort of laid out the same, and then you're going to get another page with clear illustration stickers. So I think for each holiday or each season, that's what you're going to get, and I love that. We have some cupcakes here, horseshoe, gold coins, so cute. Then we are into spring, and there's a gnome for you, some gardening stuff, like a little gardening theme for spring. I love that. Look at the illustrations, some boots. There's that gnome again. We have a fun spring hat, a wheelbarrow, a hose, all the spring things. And then we get into summer with some popsicles. We have a popsicle theme. Gotta love popsicles and a popsicle theme. Of course, I love food in my planner. This is no exception. Look how cute these are. If I had to pick one thing on this page, I would pick that. Probably the thing with the most calories. I love like the ice cream bars like that. Now we are into summer, and we've got the beach theme going on. Little SPF for you, some ice cream, sandcastle. Look at that little crab. He's so cute. The floaty, umbrella, surfboard for all your summer spreads. And of course, 4th of July. And again, that's another holiday where I feel like I never have enough stickers. Look at that cute little eagle. Oh my gosh, with the hat. That's really cute. Some fireworks and stuff. Really fun. We have watermelon. Again, these are always going to be on clear, the illustration ones. You have a flag, more fireworks. And then we have a back to school theme here. Love it. With the primary colors for school. There's a backpack, glue, highlighters, a basketball, a school bus, all that kind of good stuff. Now, of course, the fall theme. And if you get these, you're going to be if you get the sticker book, you're going to be able to use these pretty much right away, right? Because fall is coming before we know it. Love it. That little snail. So fun. Halloween. Some candy corn, some ghosts. And look at these cute Halloween stickers. We have cookies and a cauldron, a little eyeball candy, all the good stuff. And then a Thanksgiving-ish theme, I guess, or just fall. Pumpkins and pumpkin pie, coffee beans. See, all the fall things. And then, of course, Christmas. We have a gingerbread house, some poinsettias. Super cute. And yeah, gingerbread cookies, all sorts of food for Christmas, some holly, all that good stuff. And then we go right into this, which is your currently page. And it seems that the new sticker books from Heather that match with the planners, they all have these pages so that you can create your currently pages in that planner. So we have cooking, planning, dreaming, feeling, believing, crafting, reading, watching, grateful for, working towards, celebrating, listening to, all that good stuff. And then here's your holidays in Heather's writing. And you get 2 pages of those on clear. Really cute sticker book. Again, check out that planner as well. I'm sure there's other flip throughs of the planner. I'm sure Heather's flipped through it on her channel. So yeah, let's get going on the watercolor collection. Watercolor Florals. Let me show you the filler paper first. We are going to have, I believe, if it's anything like the neutral one, I think we're going to have 25 pages of dot grid and 25 pages of lined. But let's just look and see. Heather's paper is so nice and thick. Okay, this is all dot grid, so it is different. So there, it looks like there's a few different kinds here though. So there's 60 sheets total. Here's the first one. So beautiful. I love the watercolor floral theme. This is the next one. Ooh, I like this one even better. So cute. They're double-sided, obviously. Whoops. And then here is the next one. Is there a different? Yeah. Okay, so it looks like there's 4. No, there's more than 4. There's a lot of designs here. They probably match the planner, which we'll look at in a second. Oh, is this the same one as that? No. And then there's this one. And this one. Look at all of those designs. Such pretty paper. Real good quality too. We have these metal discs, and they're bigger than last year's discs, so you're going to be able to fit more paper in here. The front cover says, Planning a Life I Love. We have these really pretty florals. I love the colors of the cover, so pretty. And then we have the stripes inside that are going to match. I think that's perfect because you know Heather, well, if you've been watching Heather Kell for a while, you know she's all about the stripes and florals, so that makes sense for her. This is your year. We have our name page here, and it goes into the year at a glance. So this is, if you watched my neutral florals planner flip through, it looks like it's going to be the same type of thing. So we have a calendar page here, and then this is for important dates or anything you want for each month. And then here's your month at a glance pages with the weekends grayed out. You have one for each month with all the numbers. And then this is a blank page to do whatever you need. You could use one for each month, or you could totally categorize whatever you need for the year. This is so pretty. I love this. I love how this matches this. It is so pretty. So here's January. I like the neutral florals, but this is definitely more me because, you know, I like color the best. So this is your January currently page. This is what the monthly looks like. You have a dot grid section in the sidebar. The sidebar is going to be on your right, which is different from if you're used to Happy Planner. And then here we have our weekly pages. I love these big numbers at the top. That's fun. And you're going to get 3 sections. This is a vertical planner, and your sidebar is on the right-hand side. So that's all that. And then we go right into the next month. Here's a dot grid page for you to do whatever you want. The great thing about Heather's planners is that the month is not on the back of the divider. So You can switch out the dividers and put new dividers in if you'd like. I love the freedom of that. I don't like that the month is, you know, on the back of the Happy Planner. I've never liked that, so I think that's a really nice feature about the planner. So same thing, this is the same, you know, the middle, the guts are neutral, right? So let's just look at the dividers. So pretty. I love how this matches this. And there's also a little calendar at the bottom, which is nice, so that you know what to expect for the month. This is April, May, June. Ooh, pretty. July, August, some purples, September, October, November, and December. Those are so pretty. And then you get one note page at the back, you have your stripes, and then there is your back cover. It says Kellofaplan. So I just want to show you this sticker book. It's going to coordinate with the planner. The boxes are made to fit inside the planner, which is awesome, you know, because these sticker books that coordinate with the planner are really, you know, Heather was really careful to make them, you know, be just for that particular planner. Now you can also buy the sticker books if you don't have the planner, of course. You can use them in any other planner that you have, but they are sized just right for this. We're going to look at the planner at the same time because it's made for this, like I said. So these are going to be able to fit right here, which is nice. We have all sorts of sizes of boxes though for whatever you need. And decorative boxes too. These are your monthly boxes. And then some different sizes here. This is going to fit in your sidebar. Monthly boxes with florals. And then we have some clear florals here. And then we go into a different color palette. So pretty. So you know, in here you have the different colors, like where was the blue one? I think it's August, yeah. So this is really gonna match the florals that are here. But you don't have to. Of course, it's not like you have to decorate every week or every month the colors of the month, but it is kind of nice to have them in case you want to do that, you know, for something different. So this is gorgeous. It looks like we have, just like the seasonal book, we're going to have definitely, you know, the same types of pages for each color palette. So we have the first one's going to be your plain boxes, and then some decorative boxes and boxes with florals, and then you're going to go into your monthly, and then your decorative monthly, and then your clear florals, and you're going to get 2 pages of each of those. So I love that there's plenty of the same theme, so you don't have to worry about running out. We're just going to go through this pretty quickly because it's, you know, there's not much for me to say about florals, even though they're pretty, you know. We have some pastels here. That's cute. These would be good for spring. I can't say much about boxes and florals, but they sure are pretty. These look Eastery to me. I love these long ones that go along the bottom of your page. They're fit just right. Okay, and then in the back we have definitely some functional like header stickers. So we have this week, this month, important, priority, to-do list, work tasks, don't forget, errands, laundry, chores, today, tomorrow, to do. Well, there's a lot here. I'm not going to read all of them, but you get the gist, right? Cancel, top 3, release day, deadline, all sorts of stuff. Yard work, pest control, schedule. And then we have, again, you're going to have your currently page, stickers, cooking, planning, dreaming, feeling, believing, crafting, reading, watching, grateful for, working towards, all that kind of stuff. You also have all of these currentlies at the top of the page. So there you have it. More of the new Kellofaplan release that's coming on Friday. I would love it if you would bookmark my affiliate link, because that really does help me out. And use that on release day. I'd really appreciate it. You can also, I think they're up on the website now. You're not available to purchase, but I think you can look at them. So if you click on the link, you'll be able to see that stuff. But I thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. And let me know what you think about this new release. I think it's really exciting, and there's a lot of really cute products coming. So yeah, I'm excited about it, and I hope you are too. All right, have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.